from Bugeye, guys. We're here today in Bruce's Bugeye. This thing was just a pile of various pieces, taped and wrapped and bundled together, and all kinds of things that have been personalized by the current owner and previous owners. Our job was to put it all together. It had no windshield glass and there was no steering wheel. I think it came to us with a vice grip on the steering wheel, and today is the first drive, so I thought I would take you with me and you could see how this has come together. Terry did an amazing job of basically wrestling everything back into a very high standard, and so the car is now ready to go. Let's go for a drive. It's a 5-speed conversion and it's a 948 engine, and it really runs well, so I'm really excited about that. So one-handedly I will take you for a drive here in this big parking lot where we have no traffic. Twin-tip muffler that we sell in our catalog with a great note. And disc brakes in the front stop it quite nicely. So that's what we have today. Let's see how it does its figure eights. Looking for rubbing and scraping noises, of which there are none, and this car is ready to go to a new home from Bugeye, guys.